So let me start with the website, belmontcleaners.net. The very first thing I want you to notice is that this is not a generic off-the-shelf template. We built this specifically for Belmont. Every section, every page, every feature is intentional. At the top, you have the Belmont Dry Cleaners logo in the navigation, and I deliberately laid out the menu to make everything easy to find: services, pricing, how it works, schedule pickup, check rates, luxury, and contact. And in the top right corner, there is a prominent purple dashboard button so returning customers can jump straight into their account. Schedule pickup for everyday customers, and luxury and enterprise for high volume or premium clients. We also made sure to surface the 4.9-star customer rating front and center, because social proof matters. And below that, 3 trust icons drive the message home: 24-hour service, certified expert care, and 100% satisfaction guaranteed. The headline here is something I personally care about: simple, transparent pricing. No hidden fees, no vague call for a quote. Customers deserve to know what they're paying before they commit. We built out a clean rate card showing the most popular dry cleaning items. I wanted this to be scannable and clear, so we laid out 4 core offerings side by side as individual cards. Dry cleaning, professional care for delicate garments, suits, and formal wear. Wash and fold, fresh, clean, and neatly folded laundry for everyday needs. Alterations, expert tailoring so every garment fits perfectly. And pickup and delivery. Convenient doorstep service that customers can schedule entirely online, in just a few minutes. Clicking the dashboard button opens the login page, keeping Belmont's branding and trust stats front and center. The admin signs in, and we're inside the system. This is the admin dashboard, built to give the Belmont team complete control of their operations from one place. At the top, live metrics show pickups today, pending payments, and new consultations in real time. In pickup schedules, every website booking appears automatically in a searchable, sortable order management table, eliminating manual tracking. The product section manages services, garment categories, and pricing items that power the check rates calculator on the website. Under content section, the team can update website text, homepage hero content, and future multilingual content without touching code. The user section manages customer accounts, while testimonials controls website reviews, ratings, and display order. And finally, under settings, the team can manage payment gateways and admin profile setting.